My hair went from this to this and to this. This is my hair growth journey and it has not been easy. As you guys know, hair growth journey is not an easy one, but we keep going. I've not been posting for a while and I'm sorry about that, guys. That was because I was serving my country for a year. Those in Nigeria know what it means to do your NYSC. It was really stressful. So this is how I came back with my hair like this. I almost cried. It was unbelievable. In this video, I'm showing you the ingredients that I'll be using to regrow my hair. Like I've always told you, hair growth is not a one-time thing. It is a journey. Come with me, let's prepare this DIY herbal tea for hair growth. The ingredients are bay leaves 4 to 5 pieces, star anise 1 piece, you can add more, the one I have is finished, cloves 1 teaspoon, rosemary 1 teaspoon, and hibiscus flower 4 pieces. You guys already know the benefits of these ingredients for hair growth. If you do not know, do your research to get information on them. Combine these ingredients together, then add hot water. If you have the time, allow these ingredients to sit up to 8 hours. But if you do not have time like me, we use the double boiling method. It will give you the same result because we are not boiling the ingredients directly. After boiling, allow to cool, then sieve and pour into your spray bottle. Spray on your hair and massage your scalp to aid blood circulation. I'll be spraying this on my hair 3 times in a week. Guys, this herbal tea is a game changer. Let me know if you have experienced this type of shedding before. Remember to put the leftover in your refrigerator, or you can simply do batch by batch depending on the one you can finish at a go. Also, remember to know when to discard the leftover. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button to join this family. Like, comment and share this video. Someone might be in need of this video. See you in my next video. Bye.